Flap, flap, flap. The sun goes down. Time to go home. The bird flies back to the forest. He lands and walks over to his favorite tree. Now he's tired because he spent all day out fishing. Just then, he hears his friend, Miss Wolf.
Ow! Ow!
Hello, Mr. Bird. You're home. Don't go to sleep yet. One last game of hide and seek. Ha-ha! You walked right past. I was by my tree. Next, a game of tag. You're it. Try and catch me. And they played tag in the night under the pretty stars for a long, long time until... Oh, you see that?
Whoa! The tree from your story!
No way. Look, this one's growing. Sayo, get us out of here. Oh! Hurry up. It's getting big. Oh.
Hold on tight, girls. Curves up ahead.
Whoa! We're safe.
Looks like we're stuck till the wheel gets fixed.
Huh? Can you turn on the kitchen light first?
Oh, me?
Huh? Don't be afraid, Chloe. I'm right here beside you. I'm still having fun even though it's dark. Sayo, all you've got to do is flick on the switch.
Great idea. Or even better, what if we all go together?
No thanks, but we'll be waiting here when you get back.
Oh, hang on.
You're gonna use your magic again?
Try this on for size. We could just sleep here and pretend like we're camping.
So, what do you think, Chloe? Do you want to stay in the tent? Everyone likes sleeping under the stars. Nah.
What's a little rain? It's nice. Makes everything clean. Just listen to that. I love the sounds of nature.
You okay?
Oh.
Don't worry. I've got a great idea. You wait here, Chloe. Don't worry. I'll protect you, Chloe. Stormy winds don't scare me. Aha! A curtain monster. Here goes. Ah! Ha! 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 Huh? Ah!
Yay! You did it!
See? Told you I'd protect you. There's nothing to worry about, because no one scares my sister. Chloe, I got rid of the curtain monster. Nothing can hurt you now. Yeah, stay away from my sister. Huh? Aww. Here. And this. Now you can do anything. Just like me. And together we're even stronger. Don't be afraid. Huh? Aww. You did it! You're my hero!
Oh. Who turned on the lights? Come on to bed, girls.
Kongsuni? Chloe? Oh, there they are. They must have gotten up while I was taking a bath.
Our little adventurers.
Know what? I'm not that afraid of the dark now, or of the thunder.
Yeah, me neither. Thunder's just the clouds clapping.
Right, except that your eyes kept rolling around.
What? No way! I was just playing, you know, to make you two laugh.
It's okay. You don't need to feel bad about it. We all get a little scared.
Yeah, I guess you're right. I bet even monsters get scared.
Yeah, maybe. I bet you they're afraid of me.
What? Really? But why you? You're sweet and you love hugs.
I know. They don't like that stuff.
Kongsuni,
Huh?
got something for you. Ready? Ta-da!
Yay! What is it?
Well, I know how much you like to decorate, so they're stickers.
Yeah! Wow, Mommy, they're so pretty. Thank you. I'll put them on my special things.
I'm glad you like them. Thanks for always helping me. Chloe's very lucky to have you for a big sister. You should be proud of yourself, sweetie.
Mom, I like her.
That's so good to hear. And do you want to know something? She copies you because she wants to be like her sister. You're one of her favorite people.
Huh?
Think of it this way. You can rebuild together.
Not again. Chloe!
The duck says,
Quack, quack.
the pig says,
Oink, oink.
the owl says,
Hoot, hoot. I like field trips. So did you love being outside? I know. Ooh.
Okay, children, all set to show your little friends their new home?
Yeah!
Drum roll. Here we go.
Oh, wow.
Look with your eyes.
They're gonna grow legs. They are? Look! I think this one looks kind of different. So many spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wow. I wonder if they get freckles like people.
Huh? Oh, yeah, you see that? When it wriggles, the freckles move. I really like that one. Can I have it?
We can't keep them. Mrs. Kim said we're just watching. Let's not hurt them, Kay. They're our tiny friends.
I'm only just pretending. Besides, I saw it first, so it's gonna be mine. Swim, little squirmy, who's gonna be a froggy? Wiggle, 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 and jump.
That still doesn't mean it's yours. Let's take care of the tadpoles together. We should love them equally. We don't want one to feel left out, do we?
That one. It's mine. Hey, little guy, you need a good name.
I love the spots on my tadpole, so I'm gonna call it Speckles. Up here, Speckles.
Cool. Mine is gonna be gigantic. That's why I'm naming it Gigantosaurus.
Like a dinosaur.
Gigantosaurus Rex.
I know. Let's give them all names.
Good idea. This one should be Stumpy, and
I
that
want
one...
to name one too. Let me do it. Wait, I'm sorry. I just want to name our friends together. What do you say? Let's hurry. It's almost recess. Okay, guys?
Wow. That's a cool space creature.
No, Dad. It's supposed to be a tadpole. It's my new friend.
Oops. Right. I see it now. Boy, it's a big one.
And a cute one.
Cutest one I've ever seen.
Dad, know what? Our class went on an adventure and we caught a whole bunch of them.
Well, isn't that exciting? Good for you.
And you see this part here? Mine has pretty spots. I counted 7 of them.
Oh, must mean it's special. I know you're gonna take really good care of it.
Promise. You're my favorite tadpole in the whole universe, Speckles. Mommy! Mom, wake up! Time to go to school. I've got to see Speckles.
Did I sleep in this morning? Huh? What's the hurry? It's still way too early to go.
Speckles needs its breakfast.
Oh, I don't think tadpoles eat breakfast. Just give it a big lunch.
But you said everyone should eat breakfast before school. Mommy, it's time for me to go to school. Can't you hurry up? I need to see Speckles.
I know, sweetie. And you've been such a patient girl. Just a few more seconds, Kay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, done. Come on, Mom!
Oh. Hey, honey, can you walk Kongsuni down to the bus stop?
Oh. You're sure up early for a Saturday? Gonna be the best weekend ever.
School day.
Right, of course. Silly me. The week's just started.
All right. Time to freshen your water. This will make you happy.
You coming?
Yes, be right there.
Cool, right? Yeah, it's the best. Morning,
No,
Miss Kay.
slow down. No running, remember?
Good morning, Miss Kim. We're a bit early.
Nice to see you, Eve. Morning, Mr. Dinosaur.
No! Where'd it go?
Huh?
What's the matter, Kongsuni?
How come my tadpole isn't in the fishbowl?
Take another close look. Maybe it's hiding. They can be sneaky.
I don't see it, Miss Kim.
Yeah, me neither.
It's gone. My Speckles is gone. Come back to me.
Kongsuni, please don't cry. We can find you a different tadpole.
I don't want another one. I just want mine.
I'll be right over here, okay, sweetie?
Kongsuni, are you feeling any better?
Huh. I keep hoping I'll go back and find it in the fishbowl.
Yeah, I know. It was definitely the coolest one of the whole bunch.
It was big and it had those marks. But not just that, it was so special to me. I'll never find another one like it.
I know we're not allowed to keep them, but you could pretend to have my tadpole.
No, I can't. Your tadpole isn't the same.
Yeah, I guess you're right. They're all one of a kind. Just like people. There's nobody else like us. Hey, I know. Want to ride bikes, maybe? That always makes me happy.
Why are you walking like that? Ugh, I'm getting dizzy.
Can't you think of something, Sao?
Oh, hang on. I got nothing.
How about this? We solve it like a mystery.
Mystery?
Like on TV. At the end, they always find the answer. I can do that too.
Like a detective. Perfect. You know what this calls for?
What?
A special mystery-solving costume. What else?
Oh, yeah. I like it.
So, what do you think?
I love my new outfit. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Sayo.
Okay, Sleuth, ready? We're off.
Let's go. We've got to find my tadpole. Nothing's gonna get in our way.